Hi everyone, good morning. This is Valerie coming to you from my country kitchen. I just thought I'd share something with you because I just went to make my little green drink there with some cucumber, celery, lemon juice, coconut water, and some parsley. And I am pleasantly surprised that this is one of the best things I've ever tried to store my parsley. I just put it in some damp paper towel, and as you can see, it's still pretty fresh. And you wouldn't believe I've had this parsley now in the fridge for over 3 weeks. Check it out. Just look at it. Still extremely fresh. So if you want to keep your parsley fresh in these times when we have to physical distance, social distance, and we don't want to go to the supermarket too often, we want to store things as long as possible, just try this. Maybe it's a learning curve for some people. Maybe it's something you've tried before and I'm just reminding you of. Maybe you've never heard of it before. Just wrap your parsley in some damp paper towel, put it in a Ziploc bag, and put it in your crisper, and it will last you for a pretty long time. Now, enjoy your green drinks out there and stay safe, stay home, help to bend the curb, flatten the curb so we can get out of this nightmare soon. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the notification button to be notified of new videos, and tell somebody about it. Take care now.